Did I ever tell you about Checkmate Rentals for Airbnb or VRBO? If I didn't, my bad. I'm here to tell you about it today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, I get asked the question all the time from house cleaners, how do I get more Airbnb business? And they don't know where to go. They don't know how to get involved in the business for the area that they live in. All right, I'm here to share with you today about Checkmate Rentals. It's a property management company, and I've got the owner on the show with us today, Chad Phillis, who's going to be sharing with us how house cleaners can contact him and they can become the premium cleaner for the properties that he manages. I know, super exciting. Please help me welcome Chad Phillis.
My name is Chad Phillis. I'm the owner and founder of Checkmate Rentals, which is a business that focuses on managing short-term rental properties for short-term rental owners. And we don't just do Airbnb. We're on multiple platforms. So Airbnb, VRBO, HomeAway, TripAdvisor, Booking.com, you name it. Facebook Marketplace, depending on the area. We do a ton of different things when it comes to your property and managing your property. And really, we are pretty much full service management. So I have properties of my own. And I was thinking, what would I want as somebody who, values time freedom, who likes to make a lot of money, and who wants to, be as successful as possible. So I decided to create a service that would do all that for me. So I automate the scheduling of the cleanings, all guest communication, 24/7 guest communication, managing maintenance, if any maintenance is needed on the property, pretty much everything that consumes time for the property owner. So what I offer for property owners is, automating their business completely while they sit back and collect a check. So that's really what I wanted to focus on. And I found out ways to be able to do that in different states. So no matter what state you're located in, we can do that because of our contracts with certain cleaners in these different states. So yeah, I know that, you have a lot of cleaners watching your show, Angela, and I would definitely be more than welcome to have a conversation with them to see if they would want to become one of my preferred partners.
Well, so let me ask about that. Supposing that you are a house cleaner and you would like to have a conversation with you, how would a house cleaner work with you? How would that work?
Yeah, so it's pretty much just reaching out to me through email or give me a call on my cell phone. And then what we'll do is we will talk about the systems that need to be in place that I have in place right now with my cleaners to make sure that they're doing the job right, which I know most of them, especially if they're watching your show, I'm sure that they are, and they're doing really, really well. But yeah, we just kind of talk about what needs to be done. And then any new properties that we get in that area, we will give them to them. And they will really be the boots on the ground, the people handling everything. And, we provide a lot of business for cleaners.
So instead of a house cleaner going out looking for business, they would just come to you and they would say, hey, I'm available in this area. And then when you have properties that become available, they become your preferred house cleaners.
Correct. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. And, speaking of that, those cleaners in those areas, a lot of times, if they are already doing short-term rental cleans for other people, they may have some, disgruntled guests or somebody who is looking for a new property management team, or just maybe they've never done property management before. Maybe they're handling it themselves. It's taking up a lot of time, a lot of energy. If they hear that and they give us a referral, that's another avenue for cleaners to make money with our company.
So house cleaners could then become affiliates of your program and just send you referral business and then make a commission that way as well.
Correct. Yeah. So they'll get paid every single month on a recurring commission for the referral, as well as getting paid every single time they clean the property. So any referral that they get, that they give, they obviously get to clean that property. So yeah, that's a really exciting thing. So they kind of get the double dip there.
That's fantastic. Okay, so my question is, how would an Airbnb host who does not have a property manager right now, they're just getting started, or they've been doing it themselves and they're kind of overwhelmed and they're wanting to outsource that. What is the process for them to join with you, and what kind of stuff would you provide them?
So right now we have a small team that we're working with, and that's how we're able to provide this 24/7 service. and really this value-packed service that's going to put them over the top and make them one of the top Airbnbs or top short-term rentals in their area. Right now, we have a limited number of new clients that we are bringing on. And right now it's, right around the 20 to 30 mark is where, we can handle and the people that we can provide that service to. So if there's any hosts that are watching and maybe you're paying way too much in management fee, or maybe you are doing it yourself and you're spending all your precious, valuable time managing your own Airbnb or your own VRBO, whatever it is, you can reach out to us and I'd like to have a conversation with you personally. So we can get on a call for 30 minutes, kind of talk about your situation, see if we're a good fit for one another, which most of the time we are, and it's a really good fit and it works out for everybody. But I'd love to have a call and set up a call with you and see if that's going to work out. The question they might be asking right now is, why would I call Checkmate Rentals? There's 100,000 property managers out there that are doing the same thing. What's different? So one of the main things that I've noticed is that people starting out, they can't afford to give up a big chunk of their monthly revenue, when it comes to, their profits. And what I decided to do, instead of doing a percentage of the gross monthly rents, we do a flat fee. So no matter how much money we make for you, you're paying the same amount to the property manager, which would be us, every single month. So, if you make $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month, you're still paying that set fee, which is way, way lower than what you're paying now. So that's one of the most important things, I guess, I wanted to mention when it comes to our service.
So if I'm an Airbnb host and I call you, what I can expect is that you're going to line up the cleaning for me, and you're going to, if a customer calls and they're upset, something malfunctions, you're going to take care of that for me?
Yeah, so for the services that we offer 24/7 guest communication, which is the biggest and most time-consuming part, in my opinion, of being a short-term rental host. We schedule and manage all of the cleanings, all of the maintenance, anything that you have going on, we will do that for you. Optimizing your profiles. This takes a lot of time. Building the profiles on the different platforms, optimizing the profiles. We have a team that's their specific job to build and optimize your profiles daily. Also, when it comes to pricing, that's one of the big things that a lot of hosts don't know how to do or they're not an expert in. And this is something that we focus on day in and day out, using dynamic pricing tools, making sure that you are getting every single penny out of your short-term rental that you should be getting. And that's one of the main things that we focus on. So really, if you're a host, what this will do is totally free up your time. All you have to do is sit back and we do all the work for you, and you get to make a lot of money with your property.
This is exciting. This is a way that Airbnb hosts can grow and expand their business, and house cleaners can grow and expand their business as well. I just love this. This is awesome. Thanks for sharing.
Correct. We definitely look for win-win-win situations, and I know, when one person makes money, a lot of other people make money, and it's a really good thing. So,
Well, thank you so much. Tell our listeners where they can go to find you.
what you can do is either go to our website, which is www.checkmaterentals.com, or you can reach out to me directly. So my email is chad@checkmaterentals.com, and I'm sure we can link that in the description below. And you can also find me on social media on every single channel, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, at Chad Phillis, and that's Phillis.
Alrighty, and that is Chad Phillis from Checkmate Rentals. I'm going to leave links in the show notes to his YouTube show, to his website, so that you can get in touch with him, also his email. I want you guys to have a conversation with him to find out if you are a host and you need house cleaning, how you can get your house cleaning done and have your property managed so that you don't have to do it. And then also if you're a house cleaner, so that you can contact him and you can pick up some new business along the way. I know, super exciting. Thanks again, Chad. I really appreciate you being on the show today. This was super fun to chat with you, and I hope that we get to do it again soon. If you guys have comments, please leave them in the links below. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.